Code Afric. Unlock the future.
Hello world, welcome to Code Afric. Joseph is here, and today in this episode we are looking at how to create your online store for free. Alright, when I say for free, it means for free. Free domain, free hosting, free everything. So if you are a marketer or online entrepreneur who is aiming to get a site whereby you can showcase your products for free, then you are at the right place at the right time. Alright, so this method I'm going to show you has helped me to build 5 figures without paying a dime for Shopify or what have you. Alright, so this website host that you are going to build for free can help so many kinds of businesses such as e-commerce, store, drop shipping, and your own handmade product that you have produced. So you can showcase all these products on your site and market them and make money for yourself for free. Alright, so if you're that guy who is aiming to own online store and sell your own product without paying a dime, then I got your back. Alright, so now let's dive in and build this awesome website for ourselves. Alright, so first things first. So what you have to do is to come to this site called bigcartel.com, and you'll be bringing to this landing page an official website. And what you can do from here is that you sign up for free. Okay, so you come here, you can see sign up is here. All right, so you can come here and sign up for free. All right, they have a premium versions. Okay, so we are not going for all this. All right, we are going to benefit from everything here for free, but that is what we are going to do. All right, so we sign up, so click on that. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we are going to create a free account, and it is for free. So the time that you want it to be for free, okay? It is not for a limited time, free forever. Alright, so let's go ahead and create an account for that. Alright, so now fill in the input fields here and we are good to go. And there we go. We have input our email with our password and also our shop name, okay, which is Code Computers. Alright, and here it has given us free domain for our shop, which is awesome. Alright, so now let's go ahead and sign up. So click on sign up. So after signing up, you'll be sent to this interface, which is our dashboard, okay? And there is a bunch of checklists here, which I will explain later. But for now, let's go ahead straight to our account and create our store without wasting much time. So we come here, okay, come to the account, click on that. All right, and here it is always check, okay? We will take it from the maintenance mode after we are through with setting up our store and finish with our site. Okay, everything here is self-explanatory. All what you need to do is to go ahead and create a design. You can choose to set up your profile. Okay, let's begin with our profile image. Click on that one and let's go ahead and search our profile image. All right, so now that we have set our profile image, let's go ahead and create our design. But here you can see our domain name is here. Okay, now let's go ahead. So we come to hit on design. All right, so and here on this interface, you can create your design from scratch and do everything by yourself. By then, let us go ahead and set our themes. Okay, so themes is here. Okay, so click on themes and let's go ahead and select a theme. All right, so we have categories of themes here that you can choose from. So you can make a choice for yourself. Okay, just scroll and make a choice for yourself. But for me, I would like to go for this one, the Nova. Okay, so I'll click on it and use theme. Okay, click on that one. Okay, all right, so after selecting, let's come back to settings. Hit on settings, and here there are so many things that we can do from here. Okay, all right, so we can set our header image. Okay, if you want to, we can do that. All right, so let's go ahead, and also here we can set our background image. Now for the header image, let's go ahead and search for something, and there we go with our header image. We can also set your background image. Okay, so if you have any image that you want to use as a background image, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, and here, okay, very important, here you can select some of your products as a slider or as a carousel. You know what is carousel? All right, so it's optional. Okay, but if you want to, you can do that. All right, here we do not set the background image, but we will do that later. So let's go ahead and work for the carousel. So I'll click on it, then search for the image. All right, so you hold command on Mac or Control or Windows and select multiple images that you want. Okay, but here you can select only 5. Okay, not more than 5. All right, so I've selected about 4 of them. Now let's wait for it to load. All right, so now we have set up our carousel, okay, which is our slider. Now we can see how it is spinning nicely. Okay, you can see how it is spinning nicely. All right, so now that we have set this, let's go ahead. Here we have what pages. Okay, you can add more pages. And before we leave the settings, let me show you something. You can change the background color. If you don't want to use an image as a background, you can likewise change the background color. Now that it is white, you can set it to different color. or better still, you can use any image as your background. Okay, but let's set it to something like this, and there we go. Okay, so you can see that our background has changed. In the same manner, you can also change the background accent. Okay, and also the text, you can change the text colors, and you can change the fonts. You can manipulate everything here. Okay, so the lengths and everything, you can change them, and you can change the font here. You have full customer access here to change your font size, and also everything. Okay, customize your site like how you want it. All right, now after you are through with all these settings, let's set our welcome. So we will say something like, so in the welcome address, we say welcome to Code Computers. Okay, now you can set your future products here, how many products that you want to show at the home pages. Okay, so here we want to show only 3 products at the home page. Then your product page, you can set it more than 8 or less than 8 or something like that. Then you have the product list layout. Okay, that one too, you can set it. Okay, for the purpose of this tutorial, let's leave everything by default to save time. Okay, and here you can put all your social media handlers here. Okay, you can put the link to your Twitter and your Facebook and more. Okay, your Instagram, and you can put the link here. You can put the address there, that when your product is live, anyone that will click on it, that person will be redirected to your social media handlers for them to follow you. All right, so now that we understood how the settings works, let's go ahead and move to the pages. Okay, so here on pages, you can create more pages for yourself. So here you can add anything that you want to add. Okay, so if you have any e-commerce sites in mind, such as Amazon or AliExpress, the pages that they have added, being frequent asked questions on whosoever be the case, at the about section or whosoever, you can create all those pages here. Okay, it's just a wizard. You just have to click on it and it just drag and drop. Okay, setting up with a title, and you can add links and other things and add images to make it look more awesome. Okay, so after you are done, then you can add it so that it will be added to your site. All right, I don't want the video to be lengthy, so I'm not going to set the page for you, but you can do it by yourself. And if you are a programmer or if you are a developer like myself, you can come to the code section and do your own coding. Okay, you can change everything. You can see that you have CSS here, so you can write more styles and more functionalities to it for making a site look more awesome, like how you are seeing it here before. All right, so after everything is set and done, come to this place, come to publish. Okay, hit on that, hit on publish, and wait for it to save. Now you can see our shop has been published now, but it is not live. We have not set it to live. Okay, so we are going to add more functionalities to it. All right, so here on this stage, what we would like to do from here is to exit. Then now let's come to the products and add our products. So inside the products here, so what we can do is to add our products. Okay, all right, so let's click on that one. Let's click on add a product. All right, so here we are using the free plan forever. Okay, later if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade, but as a startup business, you don't need to waste money. Okay, because this place can do fine. All right, but you have a little limitation, and that is you can upload only a single picture for a single product. Okay, so now the product that we are going to list here, we can upload only one picture for that product. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and do that, which is not a big deal. Okay, so mine is computer, so let's go ahead and do that now. Let me locate my images for my computers. All right, so I'll select my HP computer. I'll wait for it to load. All right, so I have it here. Then we give it a description. Okay, so let's give our product a description. What is the name? All right, so here on the categories, let's go ahead and set the categories. Okay, so I'll click here. Then we click on manage categories. So now mine is computers. Okay, laptop computers. So let me add categories. So now for the first one, I'll call it HP laptop. And for the second one, I'll call it Dell laptop. And I'll call the third one Lenovo laptop. And I'll set the fourth one Toshiba laptop. And let me set the last one. I'll make it all kinds of laptops. Now I'll save my categories. Yes, done. All right, now you can set the status now. Okay, if you have it in stock, you can set the status. So now it is active. Okay, you can choose not to show. You can choose to set it to what sold out or coming soon. Okay, so but we will make it active, which means we have it on our store. Now set your price. For HP, it will go for $250. And here in the option, you can add an individual option or a group option. Okay, so now let's see something. Yes, let's leave it by default. Okay, if you like, you can set it. Okay, let's come to the shipping. So the shipping, you can add shipping. So let's set the shipping. Now the country, my country is Ghana. So if anyone is buying the laptop from Ghana, then the person have to pay a shipping fee of $5. All right, then you can add more. Okay, so aside Ghana, if you are buying it from any country, okay, or anywhere else, then you are paying $20 for the shipping. All right, so something like this. Then let's move forward. Now here you can set the code, okay, in order to give to the buyer. Okay, if the person said he has made payment, then the product code will be hot. Okay, it's optional. We say the product code is HP I7. Then you add something which can be a code 202020. Okay, so it will be set as your product code and you are good to go. Okay, so I think after everything is set and done, I think we are through with setting up our product for the first time. Now let's save it and see. Let's click on save. Okay, we make something here. Okay, so the price. All right, so we're supposed to set it for the HP Core i7 laptop. That is what we are selling for this price. Okay, now let's save it. Okay, yes, now your product. Okay, so we've added a new product. Okay, so now our product is saved. This one is saved now. Okay, so with the same proceeding, you can add more products. Okay, so in order to add additional products, just shift from your product section. You can hit on account. Okay, then you come to the product again. Okay, something like this. Then you have this option here, add option here, and you can go ahead and add your product. It's the same proceeding. So this time we are adding our Dell laptop. So Dell is here, then you just give it. Okay, so it's the same proceeding. Come to category, then you select your Dell. Done. Then active, status active, price. How much are you selling the Dell? The Dell we say is $200. Okay. Then what else? You can add the individual options. Then let's leave that one. Then we come to the shipping. We said they were shipping. So if I'm buying it from my country, then I'm giving it for $5. That is for the shipping fee. And if I'm buying it from any other country at all, then you are paying $20. Please, in a real life project, this is not how it's going to be. Okay, you have to take your time to set your shipping categories very well. Okay, there are way to calculate the shipping from other countries. Okay, so if you want me to come with a video on how to set a shipping, then you can hit me up on the comment section below. I'll do that for you. All right, now let's move forward. So I think everything is okay. Then we click on save. We are having issue here. Okay, so this place, I hit on it 3 times. We don't need this one. Let's delete it. Now let's save it. Okay, so this product also has been saved. So in the same proceeding, you can add another product. Okay, and you can add another product. Okay, all right. So with a free plan, you can add 5 products at a go. Okay, all right. So now that we have set our product straight, let's move forward. All right. So the next on the line is the discount section. Okay, now if you want to set your discount gateway, it is pretty simple. Okay, so you just have to come to add discounts, and here you can go ahead and set it based on how you want it. Okay, so you can say that if you are buying a product which well $500 going, or if you are buying 5 products at a go, then I am giving you this kind of discount. Okay, or I'm giving you for free shipping. Okay, so you are not paying anything for the shipping. You can see free shipping here. So you can go ahead and set the categories for your discounts. Okay, if you really want to set it for yourself, then you can go ahead and set it. Okay, all right, so from the product section, let's move on. All right, so now let's hit on account, and there we go. You have your website here. Okay, your site is ready and it's here. All right, and you can see it is the name that you set it .bigcartel.com. Okay, don't worry by having the big cartel, like the big cartel here. It's because you are using the free plan, and don't think that because you are using this one, nobody's will purchase the product. No, I've been using it for a very long time, and people have been buying from me, even from various places that I don't even know them. Then again, if you want to get a custom domain for yourself, maybe codecomputers.com or .org or .whatever that you want, you can hit me up on the comment section below. I can do a video on that one for you. Okay, it's very simple. All right, and then again, if you want to go live, we can switch from here. You can switch it from the maintenance mode, and everyone at all can access your site. Okay, by now we are still on the maintenance, so but let's preview it. Okay, so we can click on our link to preview our site, and there we go. This is our site that we just created. Okay, there we go. All right, so you can hit on products. The product is here. You can hit on products, and you can see we have our product lineup here. Okay, so supposedly we're having more products, all will be showing here. Okay, so when a customer hits on any product here, let's say how much is this Lenovo laptop. Okay, so when I click on that one, you can add it to cart, or you can make a payment. Now we have not set the payment gateway. We can go ahead and set that one too. Okay, from here you can remove from cart and you can check out. All right, let's go back. All right, so back to the product. Yes, you can select from any. Okay, the HP2 is here. All right, so guys, that is that. With this, you can add your products here, and you can set it proper as you want it. All right, so let's go back to the dashboard and let me show you something. Now inside this dashboard, if you click down, you can see that all your products are here, okay, with the prices and everything. So if somebody made a payment, or even if somebody visited your site, you see everything here. And if somebody put something to cart or make a payment or make an order, okay, you can monitor everything from this your dashboard, okay. The dashboard is awesome, okay. You see everything that is pertaining to your site right here, okay. All right, and then also we have here, which is an order, okay. So if somebody places an order, you are going to see them right here in the order section. All right, so let's come back to the dashboard. Okay, so one important thing is to set your payment processor, okay. The payment processor is here, so click on that one. Let's hit on that. So now you scroll down to this section which says what, get paid, okay. Get paid. Here you can set your payment options here, okay. There is a tips here that can guide you, okay. If you need a guide, the tips here that can guide you to do that. All right, from 1 to 5, it will show you all the steps what you have to do to set your payment gateway, and you are good to go. All right, so let's hit on set up your payment options. Click on that. Let's ignore this one and click on that one, payment options. All right, now here we have two options here, okay. So you can go with the Stripe. The customers can use their credit card to make payments, okay. So you can go ahead and set that one up. It's very simple. It's wizard, okay. When I click on it, so on this interface, you have to log in, okay, or sign up. When you sign up, put in your email here, okay. So after setting your email and you set your country, okay. After setting your email, you set your country also. Now after you set your country, then you can do notify me, okay. So you can click on that one and you are good to go, okay. It's very simple. All right, so you can go ahead and set it by yourself. When you encounter any problem, they are there to assist you, okay. Or you can hit me and the comment section, I can assist you from there. All right, so the next payment option is what, the PayPal, okay. So the PayPal, you can also set the PayPal, and PayPal too is very simple. If you don't know how to set a PayPal account, I have a video on that, okay. So go to my previous videos and watch the video on PayPal, and with that you can set your PayPal and just put in the credentials and you are good to go. Okay, so you can choose from any of these or you can go with both. Okay, for me, I always choose both, okay, because anyone have his options. Okay, so one would like to use his credit card, other want to use his PayPal, so that all will be accepted as a go. All right, so let's come back to accounts and then let's hit on design. Okay, come to design. It will take us back to the settings section here. Okay, with the settings, I want to show you something. Okay, so now here we can see that we are on the desktop mode. We can switch from desktop mode to your tablet or your phone mode. Okay, so let's switch to the tablet and you can see this is the tablet mode. One of the amazing features is that whilst you are still editing your desktop mode, it is automatically editing your other device mode also for you. Okay, so now the responsiveness also is awesome because it can adjust to any screen size. Okay, so this is the mobile phone screen size and you can see that it has been adjusted without breaking the design. Your site can be adjusted to any other screen size without breaking the design. Okay, so this is awesome and you can see our carousel is working very nice. Okay, now let's exit from here and let's come to preview our site one more time. And guys, you can see our site is working perfectly. It is looking awesome. Okay, so you can add many features to your site. You can do so many things to make it look more attractive. Okay, so what you need to know is what I've shown you right now. Okay, so you can add more features, you can add many things to it, making it looking more awesome and very attractive. Okay, all right, that one is over to you. So you design it how you want it. All right, so one thing I can say is that don't take this site for granted because I've been making sales through this site. Okay, so I'm using this site to make a lot of money through my product, my handmade product that I marketing online. Okay, if you're having any products on Amazon or any official site that you know, we can bring all of them here. All right, with a few steps. Okay, it's very simple. All what you have to do is to just come to the product, any product that you having in Amazon or any other site. All what you have to do as a dropshipper, all what you have to do is just add a product. You click on adding the product here, then you select the product, then you copy the categories there and bring them here. Okay, you don't need to even import. Okay, you don't need to go through the stress of importing. You can just copy them from there, okay, and bring them here right at the go. It is very, very awesome. Make time with it and design it to suit your liking and sell any product that you want online. All right, so in a case that you have any challenge or you encounter any challenge at all, please hit me up on the comment section and let's solve it together. All right, so this is where we will be the curtain for today's episode, and so we meet again. Take care and have fun.